SEO is the question of the day. Search engine optimization. Should you invest in SEO for your credit repair company? Well, all these questions are about to be answered. I get this question a lot. Yo, Blade, should I invest $500 in this company, $500 a month in this company to do my SEO? Question mark. Yes and no. SEO, as you know, is fantastic, right? But the problem with SEO is you don't know when you're going to start seeing results. SEO, for the point of this, is to get you in the first results. Like whenever someone types in something like best credit repair company, or credit repair companies near me, or how to fix my credit, or things like that, you want to pop up there. That's pretty much the point of the SEO, is for you to pop up on the first result of Google. Because realistically, who goes to the second page of Google? No, I don't. You probably don't, So, should you invest in it? Okay? Yes and no, like I said. But the problem with SEO is it takes a while to get ranked. Nobody can really give you definitive answers and be like, yes, you will get ranked on Google within 1 month, within 2 months. If it was that, would be easy. I wouldn't be even having this conversation. I'd be like, yes, definitely do it. But realistically, you can't gauge that. Let me give you a couple examples. One guy from New York, New York City, a chiropractor from New York City. He's been doing SEO for around 5 years, paying somebody $500 a month to do SEO for 5 years. And the crazy part of the SEO is that you really can't see their work, so you don't even know if they're doing anything. You kind of have to have that good faith. You gotta have that trust in them. That being said, like I said, after 5 years is when he first started to see the results of this SEO company. Another example, I was in New York City. Another example is, what was it? It was a credit repair company down in Minnesota. He took him to, I think, a year to get his page ranked, to get his website. So I guess to get his website ranked on Google on the first results when somebody types in something like best credit repair companies in Minnesota. So, what I'm trying to say is, that's completely up to you. I can't give you a definitive answer, but what I could give you is a couple of better options for you to do, for you to utilize. First, you have Google My Business. Google My Business has a lot more predictability and ranking because it comes down to 3 main things, which I talked about in another video. Matter of fact, if you want to learn a lot more about Google My Business, how to get ranked really, really quick, check out my other video. I'll paste a link in the description. Or just search through my videos. I have a lot of great content there. But mainly 3 things is relevance, prominence, and your location, your search results, your relevance, prominence, and your proximity. I bet, brain fart. Relevance, prominence, and proximity, okay? Google My Business is a lot easier to rank. Matter of fact, your reviews and responding to reviews account to 15% of your actual Google My Business listing. And Google My Business is very important. So when I say something like hey Siri, don't do that now. But when I say something like that to my phone, it pops up the best credit repair companies in my location. Okay? Something else. So Google My Business. Another great option is overall just using social media, So YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, blogs, okay, things like that, about putting content out there. First thing, Gary Vee said it perfectly: content is king. And by putting content out there with backlinks to your website, all those different things, going backlinks to your websites through your YouTube channel, backlinks to your website, your Facebook, through your Instagram, and when people read that content, they go back to your website. And by having a lot of activity on your website helps drive that ranking up very significantly. So if you're just posting regularly on your social media and people are actually checking out your website, you are going to start seeing your website start to rank and start to rise up on those results. Another great example that will really help you out are blogs. Everyone knows about blogs, Blogs, the main thing I use them for are for keywords specifically. So in my blogs, I specifically look up on Google, under Google Planner. So there's a tool called Google Planner. It's under the AdWords. So when you're making an ad, you go to Tools, you go to Google Planner, Google Keyword Planner, and you're able to search up the relevant keywords in your area that people are actually searching up. Most people are really searching up. So utilizing those keywords that so for example, best credit repair company around me, or how do I fix my credit, or how do I raise my credit score, things like those keywords like that, I put those into all my social media platforms and my blogs. Okay, my blog is beautiful because I'm able to put a lot of keywords in one blog, and that helps me get found, helps that blog get found on Google very, very, very quickly, especially when I'm using a lot of keywords. Okay, and these keywords also, you can use those on YouTube videos, and those keywords you can use on YouTube videos, you can use it on Facebook, you can use it on Instagram, not really too much Instagram, but you can use it on LinkedIn, you can use on YouTube, specifically YouTube. I do YouTube a lot, and matter of fact, something that works even better is taking YouTube and transcribing the videos, transcribing the YouTube videos and putting it inside of the actual video. This way it gets even more keywords out there, so you can get ranked even higher and even quicker. So, long story short, should you rank in SEO? Yeah, if you want to. If you have the means of hiring somebody to do your SEO, if you have the capability of doing that, and you realize that it's a long-term play, yes, you should do it. But there are other options that you could be doing. Like I said, you can hire a VA to help you with social media. You can watch my other videos on how to do my content, my crazy Gary V content distribution method, where you film something once and you distribute it among all your social media platforms without you even having to do anything. All you have to do is just film it, all right? And have another VA cut it up and distribute it among all your social media, and have that person do the SEO on all the videos, all the keywords, all the tags, all the hashtags on all your social media platforms, all bringing backlinks back to your website. Bam, bringing traffic to your website. You're gonna get that website ranked, okay? Obviously, you can hire someone for SEO, but that's all up to you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you need help, if you need somebody to turn to, like a mentor for just questions, or you need somebody to talk with strategy, you need somebody to break down your business in little steps and tell you, listen, you need to be doing this, you got to stop doing this, you need to put systems into place here, other things like that. If you need help with that, click the link down below, schedule a call with me and my team, and we'll be more than happy to break down your business step by step and tell you what you need to implement into your business to give your business a lot more predictability and clients on demand. Thank you guys, I'll talk to you later. Join my Facebook group down below, by the way. Peace out.